In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a 3D Polaroid frame using Canva. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to head over to Canva. If you haven't set up an account, you might want to do that now. Assuming you have an account, go ahead and click on the Login button. From there, continue by selecting your preferred method. You'll likely want to choose your Google account, as it's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, it's time to open the project you'd like to work on. With your project open, the next step is to select the image you want to feature in your 3D Polaroid frame. Click on this image to highlight it, and then click on Edit, which will allow you to make adjustments. Now here's a neat trick. Use the Magic Grab tool. This feature is fantastic for separating the background from your subject, which is crucial for achieving that pop-out 3D effect. After you've activated Magic Grab, click on the subject or foreground you want to bring forward, and then grab your selected area. Once you have your subject ready, you'll need to add a Polaroid frame. Click on Elements in Canva's interface, and in the search box, type Polaroid frame. Choose a frame from the options that pop up. You can go for a classic Polaroid look or something a bit more stylized, depending on your aesthetic. With the frame selected, drag it onto your project. It's important now to adjust your frame around your subject to ensure it fits well. Now let's work on the background. Click on the background area in your design to select it. You're going to move it inside of the Polaroid frame. This action helps create that layered and 3D effect that we're aiming for. Once you've done that, click on the frame itself and then go to Position in Canva's toolbar. In the position options, click on Layers and adjust the layers so that the frame sits behind your subject. This step heightens the 3D effect further. As you continue fine-tuning, align the two elements, the subject and frame, ensuring that they complement each other for a cohesive look. Make any necessary adjustments to the size of the subject to make sure it matches the desired aesthetic or vibes you're going for. Once everything looks right, center your creation within the design space, ensuring balance and focus. And there you have it, your very own 3D Polaroid frame created in Canva. It's a simple yet effective way to make your images pop. Thanks for following along and happy creating.